In the olden days, we used postage stamps for communication. When you wanted the letter to go faster, you bought an envelope written par avion, meaning by airmail. Avionics is a science dealing with the development and use of electronic and electrical devices for aircraft and spacecraft, as well as electronic equipment on an aircraft. Cebile Mbokazi, a young, gifted black woman, is a senior aircraft inspector with the Civil Aviation Authority, an agency of the Department of Transport. She is on her way to France to further her studies at master's level, specializing in instrumentation avionics. An airline crew, from pilots to avionic technicians and air traffic controllers, give an airline its non-racial, non-sexist, and national identity. We are currently accompanying the President on a state visit to India. We will have been happy to attend this great day for Cebile and the Mbokazi family. To Cebile, we say, you have exploded yet another myth about black people in general and women in particular. You have demonstrated that for Imbokodo, even the sky is not the limit.